So let's speak about today's topic. It is bizarre surprise, a bizarre surprise. So
Yeah.
do you understand what is a bizarre surprise?
Yeah, bizarre means like it is very unexpected, or
Yeah,
you can say
yeah. hmm Almost that. So
strange,
it's
you can
it's
say, I guess.
mhm. it's very unexpected, unprecedented such event. Okay, that you never even thought of, unpredictable, something like that. So
Mm.
yeah, a bizarre surprise. I'll tell you a surprise now, and you have to tell me what would you do in that condition. Okay, let's try that. So, for example, you are walking on a highway because you are just about to reach your home, and it's
Okay.
just by the highway. So you're on the highway and you're just walking, and on your left you find a bag which is half open, and you can see some cash coming out of the bag. It's full of cash. It's a big bag.
Hmm.
It can have maybe 10 crore rupees or 20 crore rupees, something like that. So it's somehow popping out of the bag. And you can see a note also. You went close to it and you found a note over there. The note
Hmm.
is blood stained. It's stained
Okay.
with blood. You can see some blood drops and some blood patches over there. And it also says, don't open it. What would you do? What would you do in this condition?
Okay. First I will think about it. I will
hmm
I will try to understand the situation and what should I do, what shouldn't I do. So
hmm
I should think about it, and then
hmm
like I can say, after seeing a lot of money, so like
hmm
everyone lose their patience, right? So
Mm, that is
yeah,
true.
so it
Mm,
is yeah, it would be depend upon my situation. If I am at the time, like if I
mm,
am very needy, so I would
mm-hmm.
take some amount of money, like maybe
Mm-hmm.
2 lakh or 3 lakh or 5 lakh, okay, whatever.
Whatever would come in your hand
Yeah,
at that point of time.
yeah,
Okay.
I would not take that much of money, but yeah, on other hand, like I will think about it one more time. I will think twice as well, and
Mm-hmm.
like, if I, because I have experienced this kinds of situation and I have discussed with
Oh.
my father. I, like, in my life I haven't gone
Mm-hmm.
through this kind of situation, but like I have spoke with my father, okay,
I
like,
have spoken with my father. Yeah.
yeah, I have spoken, yeah, I have spoken with my father. So yeah, so I would think about it, because it is what did you say, 20 crore or 10 crore, whatever.
I
Yeah,
cannot count it because it's coming out of the bag. So
yeah.
unexpected.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
So it was, if it is 20 crore, it is a very huge amount of
Mm-hmm.
a huge amount
Money.
of money. So if I inform to the police station, so
Mm-hmm.
after, yeah, after that, maybe they will give me some reward, right?
Mm-hmm.
And yeah,
Mm-hmm.
so like that amount, first I will think about it, and first I will try to figure out like what
Mm-hmm.
could be happen,
What could
because it
happen?
is what could
Mm-hmm.
happen, yeah, what could happen, because here it is 20 crore of amount, so maybe some conspiracy is going on, maybe someone
Mm.
is thinking about some kind of conspiracy
Because there's
against
a
me.
note also, right?
Yeah, note also,
It
yes,
is blood
note also.
stained.
Yeah,
Mm.
so maybe some kind of conspiracy is going on, and
Maybe it's a smuggled
someone,
money.
yeah,
Mm.
maybe some smuggled money. And like, because I remembered, like, when the government imposed that demonetization,
Yeah,
that situation, yeah.
I can remember
So
that.
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
so we used to come across this kind of news, like somewhere
Mm-hmm.
we got this amount of money, these were illegal money and all those kind of things.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah,
Mm-hmm.
we first, I will think about it, I will yeah, what should
You
I do.
won't make any hasty move, right? You won't just go there and just collect the cash and run away. You won't do that. You will first of all stand there and think about it. But it's
Yeah,
also the highway, right?
yeah,
So
like,
understand there'll be people watching
I
you.
am in, I would be in dilemma for
Of
sure, I
course.
can say, because like if I am very needy, then I will take a small
Mm-hmm.
amount of money, like 5 lakh, 2 lakh, whatever, okay,
Mm-hmm.
and I will run away from there. Like
Mm-hmm.
yeah, I will not, I would not pretend like, oh, okay, I know about this bag,
Mm-hmm.
and I would go to the police station and I will inform. No, I would
Mm-hmm.
not do this. And if it is
Mm-hmm.
like and so I think it is totally depend upon the situation. Yeah,
I think it totally depends upon. It is totally depend is incorrect. Okay.
yeah. It
It
tot
totally
it yeah, it totally
totally
depends upon the situation.
depends. It
Depends
totally
upon the
depends
situation. Yeah.
because it is singular. Okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
So
Yeah.
it totally depends upon the situation and what kind of things would be happening around, right? That's also a big question.
Yeah.
Sometimes there are a lot of cars, sometimes it's a quiet street.
Hmm.
I
Hmm.
think both the
Yes,
situations make it difficult.
I am a kind of person like I play securely. I would
Okay.
not like to put myself into trouble.
For any
So
amount of money.
yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
So for
So
example, if someone has to give you some amount of money, uh,
okay.
to ask you to stop working for the rest of your life, if you are told that we'll offer you this amount of money and you don't have to work for the rest of your life, it can be can be a good offer. Sometimes it is also offered to people who have been in partnership. For example, if I have a partner and we are running a company and
Mhm.
I have been really good into it, but I am now trying to come out of the partnership and do something of my own, but then the other partner will have to offer some amount of money, not
Mhm.
some a huge amount of money, so that I don't work in that area at all, and I don't work at all for the rest of my life, so that he does not face any kind of competition, because I know the job really well. He might
Okay.
also know it really well, but then the money would get divided if we go separately. So he
Mhm.
will have to offer me some amount of money. Likewise, if you have to be offered some big amount of money with which you will settle down in life and you would not want to work at all, so would you accept such an offer? And if yes, then what would be that amount of money?
Okay, so like like work is my passion. Okay, I would like to, yeah, I would like to live my passion, and
Mhm.
I think I would not like to accept that offer.
That offer.
And
Okay.
yeah, yeah.
But if you had to accept that, if there's no other choice, and you have to accept that offer, and you have to pick some amount in life, that, and a reasonable amount, you cannot say 750 crore rupees, right? So you'll have to understand that you'll have to say amount which is reasonable and with which you'll be able to live a very prosperous life that you would have lived even if you were working, right?
Mhm.
But there's no option of working now. Now
So
you're left
after
with no
taking,
option.
yeah, after taking those amount, I have
You just
to
have to live your
leave
life
my,
quietly. Yeah, you'll just
I
have to
have to
live your
leave my work.
everything. You cannot do anything for finances then in life. So what would that amount be?
No, I think I would not accept that offer
If you
because
have to accept it, there's no other choice now. So then you have to tell me what can be that amount. Or you don't want to pass this question, then you can say.
okay, so like we I
Mhm.
have to tell the amount.
Yeah, you
What
have to
would be
tell
the amount?
an amount window. Like it can be, for example, for a layman, it can be 5-10 crore rupees. If you give me 5-10 crore rupees, I would stop working. Something like that. Okay.
Oh, my God. Like
Yeah.
yeah, like day by day we increase our needs, right? So I
Of
don't
course.
know. Yeah, like
You
we are
cannot evaluate it.
yeah, and
Mhm.
even like we reach to that point, and after
Mhm.
that our needs again started increasing.
Of
Like
course,
it is
whatever
not
amount you have, your standard of living goes high, and
yeah,
also whatever requirements there in life, they would become better. Of course,
yes.
that is there. But so you cannot evaluate any such amount right now. Okay.
Okay, so yeah,
Mhm.
okay. So first decision would be like I would not accept
Take
that
that offer.
offer.
Mhm.
But if
Mhm.
I had to accept that one, so
Mhm.
yeah, maybe 50 crore. I don't know.
Yeah, fair amount. I
So
won't say it's a
yeah,
bad amount. It's a good amount to stop working for the rest of your life, and you can travel to whatever place, but with that money only. Okay, nobody would sponsor your trip now. 50 crores is for everything that you have to do in life. Fair enough. I think 50 crores is a lot of amount, huge amount of money.
yes, yes,
Okay,
yes.
great, 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 great. So speaking more about it, I have a very off the track question. Now, this is not something which is related to today's topic. I just want to test your content, how much you can think about different topics. We have been speaking about a lot of things in
Yeah.
the recent past. So this topic is also very much relevant to today's problems and today's situation in India.
Mhm.
Human rights actually are violated on many instances in India. You can see, even if there are people in Kashmir, sometimes these human rights are getting violated also in different parts of the country, like in Assam, sometimes in Arunachal Pradesh, people are not given that freedom because army has to be there. It's not
Mhm.
army's fault also. I don't feel anything against them. They are doing the job which they are assigned. So I think sometimes we are not highlighting peace talks a lot in India.
Yeah.
Now, coming to that point, if you have to add some more human rights in India, it can be related to anything. For example, rights are like right to equality, right to education, such right. Likewise,
Mhm.
if you have to improve any right, or you have to, if you have to add one or two more rights to the same list, to the
Mhm.
existing list, which would be those two rights that you would add, and which rights would you want to improve now? Like for example, somewhere in my life I feel that right to equality is not actually exercised in India. It's
Mhm.
not given equally, so that is what I would want to improve. But if I have to add a new right, then that would be different. So you talk about any right that you would like to improve, first of all, from the existing rights.
Okay. So yeah, right of
Hmm.
mm, right of equality in terms of gender inequality.
Any kind
Yeah,
of inequality.
yeah. It
Hmm.
like sometimes we
Racism,
face this
casteism.
kind of, yeah, racism, casteism. What is the
Hmm.
pronunciation? Casteism.
Casteism,
Casteism.
classism, yeah, all
Yeah.
these things. Hmm.
Yeah, so I would like to improve that one. And one more thing is that, that reservation system. I think I don't know it comes under any kind of right or what, but
Yeah.
uh,
Hmm.
yeah. So I would like to improve in this area, yeah, reservation system,
What would you
and I
improve?
would like to, yeah,
Any
okay.
type.
So
Mhm.
yeah. So I have like practical answer. So
Mhm.
nowadays I don't know
Mhm.
why it has been imposed earlier, this reservation quota. And okay, maybe they were minor, they were just due to their minority, this kind of
Mhm.
thing imposed earlier. But now,
Mhm.
like everyone, they are getting more opportunity comparatively other caste. So I would like to change, or I would like to add, like people who comes under BPL
People
category,
who, people
who
who.
comes people who come under people who come under BPL category, like below poverty
Mhm.
line, they should get this amenities or facilities, I would say.
Okay.
Yeah,
Mhm.
this reservation
So you
quota.
think that
Like,
reservation should be completely on the basis of financial condition and economic
yes,
condition
yeah,
of person. It should differ from person to person, right?
yes,
So it
it
should
should
not be
not.
given on the basis of caste or class or something.
Yes,
Fair enough. Fair enough. Mhm.
yeah,
So
uh,
do you really advocate that fact that India should do away with reservation completely? What do you think about it?
completely.
It means
No.
why do we need reservation in general in India? Just to fill exam forms or something? I think
Yeah,
exam forms should be made completely free of cost for India. In
yeah.
place of making electricity free of cost, like the governments
But
of
if
yeah.
it happened, yeah, if it happens, so I guess everyone will fill all the examination form. And I think for government, it will be a big cost to conduct examination for everyone. And
Mm. That is true. That is true. And also government also needs some money, right?
yes,
To
yes,
conduct these examinations on that bigger scale, because nowadays we need online examinations,
online
right?
examinations, yes,
So buying so many computer systems or arranging them, it's a big task.
yeah, yeah.
That is true. So some amount should be kept. But do
Mhm.
you think that with this amount we can refine public? Not everyone would be able to give the exam. Don't you think we are making people deprived of some good examinations? Because there are people who would not even have 100 rupees also for the form, or 50 rupees also. There are
Yeah.
hand to mouth people, right? Let's understand that.
I
There are
think they
rickshaw
should
pullers and
reduce, yeah, they should reduce the cost of filling
Mhm.
examination form, I guess.
Okay,
So they
okay.
can, yeah,
There
so
should be a
like,
nominal cost,
yes,
5,
yes,
10 rupees, 15 rupees, like
yeah,
that.
yeah. It should be affordable for everyone.
Mhm. Mhm.
So, yeah.
Again, I think I somewhere believe that we as a nation don't really need reservation now. It should be on the basis of merit. And I think before the main examination, there should be a preliminary test on the basis. There are many tests which are conducted. So in the main examination, you should not give any kind of reservation. In the pre-examination, you should give, so that people who are economically challenged get
Mhm.
this opportunity to at least get into the examination. But it should not be given for marks. No, I really don't believe that any kind of I know maybe I am not understanding the situation of a lot of people in India, and government has to think about vote bank also and other things as well. But
Yeah.
I believe that in India right now nobody is going to touch the reservation system at all, because whoever would touch would lose the next elections. That is the case, and still 70 to 80% on social media, 70 to 80% of people on social media would say we don't need reservation. That is the sad truth about India. We would not tell truth to anyone anywhere.
Hmm.
That is one problem that we are facing as a nation. Okay,
Yes.
fine, fair enough. You had a good idea about reservation, by the way. I think you have given it a thought sometimes.
Yeah.
Mhm. So, do you feel that it has done something bad to you in the recent past in your career? Do you think reservation has proven to be a curse for you sometimes, as a human being, as a participant, as a person who went
Yeah.
for a test? Hmm.
Yeah, sometimes it happened. Yeah, sometimes it happened, and sometimes I also get furious, like why this reservation quota and is this
Of
system
course.
is like continuing. And
Hmm.
so now it should, like, they, because in our friend circle,
Hmm.
I think I should not comment. Yeah.
It's completely
So
your call. Hmm.
yeah, yes. So, like, okay, just leave it. I don't want to say
Okay,
anything
no
about it.
problem, no problem. I could understand the point that you're saying. So
Yeah.
in our surroundings, we do have people, right, who come from that very caste or that very class, wherein they get reservation and they won't find it really good to be taken away. If they're getting
Yeah.
it, I think it's fine to speak about it. It's nothing wrong. It's completely your call, although I won't push you to say anything about it. Okay, fair enough. It makes us reach the end of the session now. And the feedback is
Okay.
just that try to read more, try to just practice more in front of camera, try to record your videos. I think that is somewhere you can improve. Expression wise, it's going pretty fine. In terms
Okay.
of positivity, it is completely visible on your face. But when you're talking about something tragic, when you're talking, for example, the word that you used in between was furious. But sometimes I get furious. That should be on your face, right? When I'm furious, I am looking furious. When you're furious, you're still smiling. So that thing has to change somewhat. Okay,
Okay.
just work on your facial expressions and body language also. Try to use your hands while speaking.